Welcome. In front of me is an iPhone 17 Pro Max, and today I will show you how you can enable power saving mode on this device. So to get started, you want to swipe down from the top right side of your screen, and then you can hold the empty space somewhere here. This will enter editing mode, and you can now click on add a control, and you want to find your low power mode toggle right here somewhere. Click on it, and then click again on the empty space. This will disable the editing mode, and from here you can just simply tap on the power saving mode to turn it on. And that's really all you need to do. Now there's one thing to keep in mind. Usually power saving mode disables Wi-Fi and mobile data when the device is not being used to preserve battery life, and because of that you will encounter that, for instance, email fetching and stuff like that might be delayed or just not delivered to you as long as you're not using the device. So if this is something that you rely on, you might want to remember about it. Now once you're done using the power saving mode, or low power mode as it's called, you can just tap on the toggle once again, and this will obviously turn it off and undo all the changes. So with that being said, hopefully you found this very helpful, and if you did, don't forget to hit like, subscribe, and thanks for watching.